Someone says, create more content for you to grow faster, but who have time for scripting, editing, video optimization? So, in this 21st century, if you're not making use of AI, you are lacking behind because in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to make use of your AI, including instant video scripting, instant editing, and instant video optimization. If this video is the type of video you love to watch, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. One is the infinite ideas, that is the chat GPT hack. Okay, the biggest growth killer is the writer's block. But here is the fix. Go to your chat GPT. Okay, don't just ask for video ideas. That is too generic. Okay, now this is what you will do. Just go over to your chat GPT and type, use this prompt. That is, when you go to your chat GPT, use this particular prompt. I have about your niche. Do you understand? That is your niche, the niche that you are. Let's assume now that you are into English podcast. Okay. Now you will type, I have a YouTube channel, English podcast. Okay. Now you will say, give me 10 click worthy video title that provoke curiosity and address a specific pain point for beginners. Now it will start to generate, as you can see now. Okay, then you just got, immediately you will just get your months of videos. That is the video you under 1 month, you just get them immediately. Do you understand? Now what are you going to do? You're going to pick the best ones and start creating content around it. Okay, so these are the importance of your chat, your AI. Two is your visual and your thumbnail. Okay, remember, if you have a good content with a bad thumbnail, nobody's going to click. It is as simple as that. You only have 2 views, 3 views. Nobody will click on your video. But if you have your good thumbnail, people will be able to click and watch your videos. Okay. Now, this is where Canva or Midjourney comes in. Then you can make use of your Canva or your Midjourney to create your content. Then for you to have a good click-through rate, you have to create a good and quality thumbnail. You can make use of your Canva, you can make use of your Midjourney, you can make use of your audiogram and the rest of them. Okay. Now let's go over to step 3 is the ranking. That is the AI SEO. For you to grow more faster, you need to rank in the search engine. Okay. Now you need some tools to rank on your search engine. And remember, as a small channel, nobody knows you. For you to grow more faster, you need to rank on a search engine optimization. Do you understand? Now you can make use of some search engine optimization tools like your TubeBuddy, your VDQ, your there are many of them, your YouTube Studio, to know what people are searching for. Okay, so by doing this, by making use of these AI tools, you'll be able to grow more faster. Okay? So right now, I make use of VDQ to know what people are searching for. Do you understand? Then use title generators for maximum click. Do you understand? Then write your description to know what you can also use your video queue to write your description to know what people are to know people that need this your particular content. You understand? Making use of this AI SEO to know what people are searching for is not a cheat, it is a proper optimization. AI is not here to replace you, but it helps you to focus on being creative. Okay, while it handles the boring stuff. If you start using this workflow, I guarantee you will start up more and grow more faster. Okay, if you want a tutorial on how to start up a YouTube channel before you start making use of these tools here, you can watch this video on how to create a YouTube channel and subscribe to this channel, YouTube Growth with Francisca, for more YouTube growth strategies. Love you all. Bye.